So how to lock journal app on iPhone. So this might be helpful for people that don't want others to see what they are putting on the journal app. So just open up your settings, and once you're there, just scroll down on the list of apps right here till you see the journal app. So mine's just right here below the fitness app. And once you've opened that, you will see lock journal option right there. Just simply tap on that and you will be prompted to put your passcode. So just put your passcode and it will bring you right here where you can tap on the switch button again to enable it. And you could either change it to after 1 minute, immediately after 5 minutes, or after 15 minutes. So I'll just leave it at default, and that's basically good. So let's check if it works. I'll just go to the journal, and as you can see, it requires it to use Face ID, or you could also use passcode. You just need to tap on don't allow on the Face ID option earlier. That's basically how you lock journal app on iPhone.